Hi guys. There's a new hacker on Roblox. His name is Mega Hacker 123. He looks like this. If you join his game, this sound will play. Scary, right? Well, he will start hacking on June 15, 2025. How do I know this? You may ask. I'm just smart. Stay safe and watch this video.